Scrolling through Instagram, I was enjoying a moment of escape when suddenly, the dreaded message flashed across my screen. An unknown network error has occurred. My heart sank. It felt like a digital betrayal, a sudden disconnection from the vibrant world I had been immersed in. I tried refreshing the app, closing it and reopening, but the error stubbornly persisted, mocking my attempts to reconnect. In that moment of frustration, I realized how deeply intertwined social media is with our daily lives. It's not just about sharing moments. It's about connection, community, and sometimes validation. I found myself reflecting on the countless posts I had scrolled through, the friendships nurtured through likes and comments, and the creativity sparked by inspiration from others. As I stared at the error message, I wondered if this unexpected pause might be an opportunity to step back, breathe, and appreciate the world beyond the screen. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.